Working as a trade contractor for multiple home builders usually means you get a lot of information. POs, plans, pictures, schedule dates, in many different ways. Using the old-school approach of paper and whiteboards to manage jobs, schedules, and organize your crews results in a constant back and forth with builders and wasted trips to the job site. It's time to stop chasing papers around the office and job site and start living a better quality of life. Built for the trades, by the trades, Bolt understands what you need to get organized and make more money on each job. Now, you can store all your job information in Bolt and access it within a few seconds. Schedules are constantly updated and accurate, and your crew can use their mobile device to complete the work in the field. Since everything is kept inside a job folder, you'll keep track of your work orders, plans and documents, photos, contracts, and more. Now, you are 10 seconds away from answering any question that may come up. Once a work order is on schedule, your field employees can view documents, edit them, add comments, and add additional pages. When viewing the schedule, you can quickly track your time, reschedule work and track the reasons why, create punch lists, and take photos of the job site. Our estimating functionality lets you create, submit, track, and revise bids with accuracy. Produce a large volume of bids and manage revisions with ease. Want more insight into your business? Our Insights reporting functionality means you get real-time information and makes it easier to view per-job profit and loss, employee productivity, identify wasted trips and problem builders. Whether you're a field supervisor, crew member, owner-manager, or office scheduler, using Bolt makes it easy to manage your business, get organized, and be more productive. Ready to see more? Contact us today to see Bolt in action.